Hey, this is Kerry with Dynamic Motorcycle Accessories. Just wanted to do a little quick info on the mounting of our backrest. Sometimes it's not super clear to everyone kind of what all you need to mount our backrest to a motorcycle. Our backrest cannot be attached directly to any motorcycle. It needs a mounting platform, and I'll show you how that works. So most of your adventure bikes will have some sort of platform on the back end of the motorcycle behind the passenger seat. Some of them will have bolt holes that you can bolt directly to. Some are just through holes. Some are just grab rail that use like a clamping method to attach a mounting platform. So the backrests, they have 2 feet with 4 bolt holes, and so there's nothing on the bike that you can just bolt the backrest to. So that's where we'll use our mounting plates or luggage rack to provide this platform bolted to the bike for this to sit to. But if you do have a luggage plate made by some other manufacturer that you've bought previously, or bought a motorcycle that already has one, you can, and you're wanting to try to drill and bolt our backrest to it, you can take a look. I'll post it in the video description, a link to a video of how to measure and see if our backrest will work well for drilling into your existing rack. If you do buy a backrest and that's your intention, if you can put a note in your order that you already have a plate you're going to bolt it to, that will help get it out quicker, because typically if people order a backrest without a way to attach it, we'll try to contact them before we ship it out, and sometimes that takes a little while. So if you look at our website, you'll see the options that we have available for your motorcycle model. Not all options are available for all motorcycles, but this is our long luggage rack, which these 2 slots in the front of it are where a backrest will bolt to. It will bolt to those slots, giving it some forward and back adjustment. This is our short luggage rack, which has the same mounting slots for the backrest. It will bolt to the short rack in this configuration. So here are our mounting plates, which provide the same platform for the backrest, slotted holes for the backrest to mount to, with some adjustment forward and back. So the backrest itself just comes with 4 bolts, 4 nuts, and some washers to attach the backrest to the mounting plates or a luggage rack. The luggage rack will come with the nuts or bolts that you need to bolt it to the motorcycle. I get a few people that will ask me what they should get for their motorcycle, whether they should get mounting plates, short rack, long rack. I'll just real briefly go over each of them. Okay, this is the mounting plate option. You would use this if you're looking for basically the most economical way to attach the backrest to your motorcycle, or if you don't plan on carrying any kind of cargo, or if you don't need a luggage rack. With this option, you can use our little backrest bag. This is with our backrest bag installed, just sitting on top of the mounting plates behind the backrest. This is our short rack option, which people will use if they're just looking for something a little smaller, a little more streamlined, for kind of a little sportier look. This small rack, you could strap a small duffel bag to it, or our tail bag. So the short rack is about 9 inches long. So it leaves you about 6 or 7 inches of room behind it. So you could strap a small duffel bag behind there or use our backrest bag in the vertical position. This is our long luggage rack, which you would use if you want more room for luggage, want to strap down bigger bags, or our long luggage rack top case mount version with the Givi hardware. You can use the Givi mono key top cases. This is with the Givi mono key mounting hardware installed on it, to where a top case can be attached. The backrest can be installed or removed while the hardware is still on it, but the backrest cannot be used at the same time as the top case. Our tail bag can be used behind the backrest on the long rack in the horizontal or vertical position. So the two reasons the top case cannot be used at the same time as the backrest is because the front of the case sits in approximately the same location as the backrest, and also we don't want to push too much weight cantilevered past the mounting points of the motorcycle.